So, something that I will have to do for the 100-day challenge is I'm going to have to become a new person, right? That's the goal. And one of the ways that I'm going to do that is by um, slowly taking away bad habits and replacing them with good ones. So, today, the bad habit that I'm going to remove, and honestly, I just want to get out the way, and that is video games. I need to take away video games, and I'm going to replace that instead with um, journaling and documenting. So, whenever I have an urge to play, I'm just gonna sit down and just think and be like, okay, I know I want to play video games, but instead I will journal. Like, what am I thinking right now? Why do I want to play? Um, why am I not doing the things I should be doing? And yeah, just stuff like that. So for the next, I will do this for like 2 weeks. Actually, no, it's a new month, so I will try this out for a month. So no video games for a month and just journaling and stuff. So new habit, journaling, and the old habit that I will be taking away is video games.